In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a performance recording in Tableau Desktop. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or looking to optimize your workbooks, recording performance can provide valuable insights into how your dashboards are running. To begin, we're going to start by opening the Tableau Desktop application on your computer. Make sure you're logged into an account with the necessary permissions, as this feature isn't available with free accounts. Once you have Tableau Desktop open, navigate to the worksheet you want to analyze. It's key to be working within the specific worksheet you need performance data for, because the recording will capture interactions within that space. With your desired worksheet on screen, we'll do a little bit of exploring in the menu options at the top. Look for the Help menu. This is going to be your starting point for accessing the various options related to Tableau's settings and features. Click on the Help menu to open a drop-down list. From this list, locate and select Settings and Performance. This is where you will find all the performance-related options that Tableau provides. Among these options, you will see Start Performance Recording. Clicking this will initiate the process. Starting the recording means Tableau is now tracking every move you make, making whatever calculations are necessary to capture every detail required for performance analysis. This includes loading times for the views and interactions you have with your data. While the recording is running, perform the tasks you wish to analyze. Keep in mind that the recording will continue capturing data until you decide to stop it. So, don't start browsing your emails, focus on those Tableau interactions. Now, to conclude the recording, you'll need to retrace your steps to the Help menu once again. Click on Help, navigate back to Settings and Performance, and now you'll see the option to Stop Performance Recording. Selecting this stops the tracking and saves the gathered data for further inspection. Stopping the recording compiles a Tableau Performance Recording workbook containing logs and statistics on load times and process information. This will be essential for diagnosing any efficiency issues your dashboard might have. Understanding this data might require some practice, but by knowing how to record it, you're a step ahead, and there you have it. Starting and stopping a performance recording in Tableau Desktop is straightforward and incredibly useful for improving your workbook's effectiveness and speed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials on maximizing your use of Tableau Desktop.